Female gorillas maintain almost constant contact with their infants for the first several years.
I don't know.
Gorillas grow much faster than humans, but they show very similar behavior. Like many children, young gorillas are full of energy and mischief. They
So they
race,
grow fast. So I bet everyone like
tumble, climb,
so this is
and just look for trouble to get into. But at the end of the day, they still find comfort in their mother's arms.
Look at this.
What is it? What is that? I guess I don't like.
It's crazy.